So you're thinking about becoming a software developer, but you have doubts. You don't know whether programming is the right thing for you or not. In this video, I'm going to share my own checklist for everyone out there who has the same question to make a better decision. Let's find out. Hi, my name is Adler, and today we're talking about whether you should start your software development journey. I'm a software developer myself with several years of experience. I can tell that there are some specific qualities that make us good developers. Number one, you love seeing code. This is very basic, but very important. As a developer, you'll spend a lot of time staring at the code, either understanding the code, changing the code, or creating new code. If you find yourself not really a fan of all these small characters crawling on the screen, it would be very challenging to work on it 8 hours a day. Before I started my career as a software developer, sometimes I saw people in Starbucks using their laptops and doing some dark magic on their black screen. Even though I didn't know any programming at that time, every time I saw it, I still felt pretty interested and excited. If you don't know whether you like it or not yet, I would suggest go find some free online resource like Codecademy or Free Code Camp and try to actually build something. It can either be a blog or a Twitter clone or anything will be fine. Experience the process and see if you like the code itself. Number two, you love technology. Let's clarify a little bit. It is very different from general technology. It's not like,
yeah, I love the latest iPhone.
I'm talking about being interested in how they really work. For example,
where does my phone retrieve the data when I Google?
Or
How does the hacker know my password even if I didn't tell anyone?
the answers to these questions probably don't matter to most people, but having this kind of curiosity would be a critical source to drive you forward on your journey in development. Number three, you are an explorer, not Internet Explorer. This can be divided into two cases. One is that when you see something new, you want to try it. The quality is so important that you need it every day once you start the journey. As you grow, you'll find that there are many unknown areas in technologies that you need to explore on your own. For example, the team is considering switching to another programming language. Of course, you can Google and find similar experience shared by other people, but every team is building a different product. For exactly what challenge will you be facing, no one can tell. It's possible that you'll need to resolve the issues on your own, or you'll need a workaround to overcome specific issues. If you're someone who is confident enough to face any technical challenge, it shouldn't be too hard for you. Number four, you hate manual work. It might be hard to imagine this if you're not a software developer, but in this field, a lot of things can be automated. You probably have already heard the concept of 10 times developer. It means that some developers are capable of having 10 times productivity than regular developers. It's basically an exaggeration, but it shows the idea that in this field, productivity can be very different from developer to developer. An efficient developer will find a way to maximize the productivity by automating every small task to save his time. So here's a good example. Before I became a software developer, I once had a job that every day I had to download data from a specific website, copy and paste some information, wrote my own ideas, and created a report to submit to my manager. It took me about an hour a day, and I kept doing that for 6 months. Since the process were always the same, one day it just came to me that, is it possible to let my computer do it by itself? From there, I tried to learn a little programming, and I ended up writing a small program to automatically download everything, copy and paste everything I need to the report. It turned out to be good. It saved me at least 30 minutes a day during the time. In the world of programming, there are a lot of work that need to be automated like this. If you're impatient like me and want everything to be automated, then this might be right for you. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. If you're still concerned about starting your development journey, let me know in the comment section about your concern, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll see if I can help. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you next time.